Zimbabwe's parliament is facing mounting criticism after it emerged that legislators are owed over $600,000 in unpaid sitting allowances, a backlog that stretches across 8 months. Sanapena mashoko shamisa vanhu panguva ino chinzwa kuti aiwa panguva ino ma-MPs ane ma-allowance asati abhadhara anosvika 600,000 zvavhundutsa vanhu panguva ino inoonekwa kunzi the current economic time panguva ino iri kutoshamisa zvinoonekwa kunzi these guys they are being also owed the government will subscribe like watomba bele kuchina pakati mwina mabuda nepamuchinzi. The government source confirmed on Monday that economic turmoil and delays in funding processes have left members of parliament without their entitled payments. Legislators who are supposed to receive $75 per sitting say the failure to disburse the allowances is affecting their ability to meet basic financial obligations. In course, the country's legislators are owed over $600,000 in unpaid sitting allowances, spanning over the last 8 months, the source reviewed. Many MPs are now failing to meet their obligations, such as paying their bills and utilities. The delays have sparked discontent among lawmakers, some of whom argue that the financial strain is compromising their ability to serve effectively. Although Parliament has not issued any official statement, internal discussions suggest that the crisis is linked to broader economic challenges affecting public sector financing. Analysts warn that unless the issue is resolved urgently, it could disrupt legislative work and the morale within Parliament. The matter is expected to feature prominently in upcoming parliamentary debates. Thomas Kwangulani Kopanapa wanaona chikomenda vachiti but mune ma3 million amuda kupa varungu kuti vadzoke munyika Zimbabwe, so vamwe vachiti havana basa ravari kuita ava. Vanhu vari kuuya panapa vachiti ko vachembere social grant, vamwe vanobuda vachiti havana basa ravari kuita avo. Vasvika tiri kuona kuti vanhu vari vachicriticize this move yekunzi aiwa these guys they must be paid something around $70 per every sitting. But kuri kunzi these guys hapana zvavari kuita just because vanogouya vachingosapota ZANU-PF, hapana chinhu chiri musociety chavari kusolva, vanogouya vachingobhiraibhiwa chete. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kundipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi muna comment section medu. So subscribe or like, chatomba bell icon.